This is how to reverse a Standard Bank instant money voucher. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. You may just need to look for the same options as we go through it. First, open the Standard Bank app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap Transact. Then, tap Instant Money. From here, open your Instant Money history. This is where your sent vouchers are listed. Find the Instant Money voucher you want to reverse and tap on it. If the voucher has not been collected yet, you will see an option to cancel the voucher. Tap Cancel and confirm. The voucher will be cancelled and the money will be returned to your account. If the voucher has already been collected, it cannot be reversed in the app. In that case, you will need to contact Standard Bank support for help. And that's it. That's how you reverse a Standard Bank instant money voucher. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.